Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly, to take screenshot, you just have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be apps list. And then to take screenshot, you just have to press power key and volume down at the same time and hold them like for about a second. And that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down at the same time, and screenshot will be taken. You can also take screenshot by going to the upper bar here. Can I go, please? And here you have this button, long screenshot, and it works. It only works in the vertical direction, unfortunately. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album. And here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.